RobinHood and AMC are completely out of their minds. Shiba Inu coin explosion. SHIB flipped to 10 cents. Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu has taken a lot of hits since it started, even though Bitcoin experts have been very critical of it. SHIB kept its place even when people were talking seriously about the end of crypto's rule and the coming of strict regulations. After a lot of speculation, RobinHood finally made Shiba Inus tradable on the platform, just as investors expected. SHIB is once again on its way to the moon. Today, we'll talk about what RobinHood and AMC did with Shiba Inu coin recently. So watch this video all the way to the end, because the video for today is going to be a bomb. Welcome to Wealthy Coin, your daily dose of Shibas. This is the place to be if you are interested in everything about Shiba. Subscribe if you want to stay on top of all the SHIB news predictions and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. You should check out this site. Before we talk about the topic, let's look at the picture and see what happened to the price of Shiba Inu SHIB from June to September. Lows of 90 cents seem to be getting traction, and it looks like the cryptocurrency is about to end its second positive month in a row. Even though the market had problems, the crypto market went down after Fed Chair Jerome Powell said at the Jackson Hole conference that the central bank would keep pushing hard to raise interest rates. Powell's hawkish comments caused the crypto market to go down. After ending July with a 13.5% gain, Bitcoin and other big altcoins, like Shiba Inu, lost all of their gains. In terms of price movement, August was a mixed month for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu was the best performer on the market on August 14. It rose a huge 40% from its low of $1.26. On August 15, SHIB hit a high of 170.90 cents before going down. On August 25, the bulls tried to get the upswing going again, with SHIB prices going up to highs of 140.8 cents before the bear set in. Let's get back to the subject. Shiba Inus and the Dogecoin killer Shiba Inus are finally available to trade on RobinHood after a lot of talk about them. RobinHood made room on its website for other cryptocurrencies like Solana, Polygon, and Compound. SHIB side, on the other hand, saw the most rise just 24 hours after RobinHood's listing. Last year, the price of Shiba Inus went up by 35%. Over 550,000 people signed a petition on change.org that asked RobinHood to add SHIB to its website. Even though the trading and investing app didn't give in to cryptocurrency investors' requests, speculation was enough to send the price of a Dogecoin competitor up the hill. The company took a long time to carefully think about the market, tech, and security factors under on-chain analytics. After a lot of talk, it finally happened, and cryptocurrency investors seem to be very happy about it. Off to the side. Some people are talking about whether or not Shiba Inu millionaires will make it into the top 10 richest people list this year if the rise keeps going. The first response to RobinHood listing was that the price of Shiba Inus went up by 36.88% in the first 2 hours after the news came out, but then it went back down and grew by 15.8% overall. But after the plan was made public, other cryptocurrencies that were added to RobinHood didn't do much to go up in price. Experts say that the SHIB's price will go up even more in the coming days because of the listing and the big surprise rally. But we should still keep in mind that the Dogecoin killer's price rise could be short-lived because the cryptocurrency market is still showing a downward trend. It was a big year in 2021. Can the same be expected in 2022? In a normal year, a 2,000% rise in stock prices was seen as a huge deal. But what Shiba Inu wrote down was a historical event. SHIB grew 121 million% just in the year 2021. The price of the coin at the start of the year was 73 cents, and in October, it hit an all-time high of 141 cents. Shiba Inu grew last year because of a number of things. For example, SHIB was listed on many markets in 2021, which made people feel like they were missing out, FOMO. On the other hand, the start of ShibaSwap, a decentralized exchange, has increased liquidity and added staking. When it was added to the Coinbase Global Shiba Inu Millionaires and Top Richest People list, the price of the coin that competes with Dogecoin went through the roof. A story says that in October 2020, A crypto investor bought almost 200 billion SHIBA tokens for just $17. Now, the value of those tokens is in the millions of dollars. In the same way, may ship early. The rise in its price has also helped investors. People who have made a lot of money are sometimes called Shiba Inu millionaires. But there are rumors about whether or not these lucky people can really make it to the top of the list of the richest people. But it's clear that a lot of cryptocurrency owners are moving up and joining the elite group on the Forbes 2021 list. 7 crypto developers and billionaires were added to the list of the richest Americans. This move shows how powerful the decentralized environment is and how much Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies mean to people. Let's talk about AMC right now. Theaters, which is thought to be the biggest movie theater chain in the world, has announced that it will accept payments in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu through its app. This comes as businesses and institutions recognize the growing demand for cryptocurrencies. A few months after they started taking crypto payments, they started to accept Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin. On its mobile app, Theaters now has support for SHIB. does its cryptocurrency purchases in the US through BitPay. Tyler Travel Management Group has teamed up with BitPay so that their car, helicopter, and private jet services can all be paid for with Shiba Inu. People who support Shiba Inu think that its growing use in the real world could increase the number of people who use it, which is a good sign for investment. Analysts have looked at the price trend of Shiba Inus and altcoins. Sherpa, a fake name for a crypto trader and expert, said that he is buying Shiba Inu tokens. Investing in the Dogecoin killer during its latest price drop. Theaters, which is thought to be the biggest movie theater chain in the world, has announced that it will accept payments in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu through its app. This comes as businesses and institutions recognize the growing demand for cryptocurrencies. A few months after they started taking crypto payments, they started to accept Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin. On its mobile app, Theaters now has support for SHIB. does its cryptocurrency purchases in the US through BitPay. Tyler Travel Management Group has teamed up with BitPay so that their car, helicopter, and private jet services can all be paid for with Shiba Inu. Proponents of Shiba Inu think that its growing use in the real world could increase the number of busy users and on-chain activity, making investors more optimistic. Analysts have looked at the price trend of Shiba Inus at altcoin. Sherpa, a fake name for a crypto trader and expert, said that he is buying Shiba Inu tokens. Analysts on the street think the Shiba Inu price will reach KTL after the recent consolidation in the Dogecoin killer effect, and they have set a target of 50 cents. Analysts saw the price of Shiba Inu go up by 22% after the Robinhood launch was announced. Analysts say that Shiba Inu price is ready to break out after many failed efforts. So much for today. Also, we'd like to point out that this is